You guys how you can start from being a total crypto novice, like you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, and becoming a smart crypto guy or lady in the space of 7 days. That's like 1 week. How you can do this by just spending, you know, 2 hours every day or less than 2 hours every day learning crypto. So this is how I started. The first thing you need to do is make sure you create a crypto account, and personally I recommend you create a Binance account. So if you I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video where you can use to sign up on Binance. If you use my link to sign up on Binance, you can create a Binance account on binance.com for free. But if you use my link to sign up on Binance, you're going to get $20 after your first deposit on Binance. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up on Binance, create a crypto account, sign up on Binance, do all the verification so that you have a crypto account. Now this is Binance. This is what Binance looks like. If you sign up on Binance and you have a Binance account, then you are welcome to the crypto family. Everything happens here, from home to market to trades to futures to wallets where you keep all your coins and stuff. This is where everything happens. I have some coins I'm saving on Binance. You know, I just create a Binance account. You will learn how to use it. If you have the account, it's not left for you to learn how to use it. But if you don't have it, you won't know what to do. So the next thing is, if you're using an Android device, go to Google Play Store, and then if you download these apps, look at this. When you go to Play Store, you download these apps. One, you download this app, Trust Wallet. Search for Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. You download this app. You download this app, you create the app. If you download Trust Wallet, the next thing you do, download CoinMarketCap. Download this CoinMarketCap app. Two. Number three, you download Crypto News. Crypto News. Crypto News. Download Crypto News. This is it. Number two, you download Crypto News. So you go on Twitter, twitter.com. If you don't have Twitter app, you download Twitter app. I need to update my app. Now when you download your Twitter, I'm going to tell you what you do with all this app. If you download Twitter, you also download Instagram. You download Instagram app, just for you to learn everything about crypto in the space of 1 week. Yes, you download Instagram. You can see. Now this is what you do. Make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I'll be revealing a massive secret that helped me. I learned everything about crypto, self-taught, and watching tutorials on video. Then you come on YouTube. You have your YouTube app. This is what you do on YouTube. If you go on YouTube, when you go on YouTube, just search for crypto. Crypto search. When you search for crypto, you begin to watch this guy's video, follow all these people and watch their videos. If you go to my library, you see a lot of crypto videos that I have downloaded. Look at my downloads. You understand? You can follow Crypto Giant. I really recommend that channel. You can follow my own channel, Full Tricks and Tweaks. You can follow H Educate, Tat Nation. Anybody doing something on crypto that the person sounds very intelligent, there's something you can learn. Crypto Daily. You follow all these channels. You begin to watch their videos. So that is what you do on YouTube. Then if you come to your Instagram, you click on Instagram. Now you can create a new Instagram account. It's very easy. For example, I have a new Instagram account. If I double tap here to switch to my new Instagram account. Now in this my Instagram account, all you need to do is come to search for crypto crypto, you look for accounts. Now all the people doing crypto, you follow them. If you follow one good channel, they'll recommend a lot of channels to you. I'm following this guy already, so I'm following a lot of people that are into this crypto thing. If you follow one good channel, just I'm following this one too. So I follow almost everybody running crypto. If you follow a good channel, let's say um I follow some other channels, you see they recommend, you follow them, just follow them, don't think about it, follow them. Sorry, you follow these channels, you follow them. Now the idea behind this is you need to create a new Instagram account. The idea behind this is that so that when you open your Instagram, most of the things you see would be crypto news, because when you are exposed to more crypto news, you begin to do more research and you begin to understand. I've followed. Now look at, when I refresh my Instagram, look at it. This is somebody teaching how to stop loss placement, trend line, stop loss. This is things you begin to learn. You begin to learn about how to trade. This is Dogecoin news. This way, Coinbase. This is very simple. So you begin to watch, you begin to see news. Everything that will be shown on your Instagram will be related to crypto news. By that, you can get more knowledge of how this is working. This is somebody teaching about confluence, support, and resistance. The more you expose yourself to this information, the more you learn. You just expose yourself to crypto news, crypto, everything you do, let crypto just be around you. Bitcoin Cash, this is crypto class, crypto training. So that is what you do on Instagram. The same idea you use on Twitter. On Twitter, you search for people that are into crypto, you follow them. Sometimes you can use hashtag Bitcoin, hashtag Dogecoin for any information you want to get. Hashtag Binance, hashtag crypto. Let's say use hashtag crypto on Twitter. People that are doing stuff on searching, when you search with that, everything you need to see about crypto will pop out on your Twitter screen 247. That is what you also do with Twitter. Sorry, give me a second, guys. Let me just show you. I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to show you guys. Now when you put everything you see on your Twitter will be related to crypto. Look at hashtag airdrop. For you to get the latest crypto airdrops, you would see all the news on airdrop. You look at it on airdrop, you follow, you read as much as you can, then you write hashtag crypto, hashtag crypto. It's like hashtag crypto. You see you follow these platforms, crypto.com. You read news about crypto. You are opening yourself to more knowledge. Now just need to follow me, just keep watching, please. Now you now come on crypto news. You click on crypto news, you begin to watch, you begin to read all the news. You see top news, every news on crypto you read. When you read, you see a terminology you're not familiar with. The next thing you do is you make your research. You begin to learn more about that terminology. Now you do this, you read all these news, you open them one by one. Dogecoin slams Elon Musk. You just keep reading them. If you read some news here, you say Bitcoin drops to 46,000. Auto coins. If you don't know the meaning of auto coins, you can go on Google and search for auto coins. You click on news. You check things that are happening on Twitter. You click on Bitcoin. You just continue to read. You open yourself to more knowledge. You watch videos. Now the next thing you do is you come to CoinMarketCap. On CoinMarketCap, you also get exposed to more information about cryptocurrencies. Now if you do this consistently for 2 hours every day, do this for 2 hours every day. Yeah, you see more crypto news. Just expose yourself. Let everything around you be crypto. If you do this consistently for 2 hours every day, from now to the space of 7 days, you'd have gotten enough of knowledge about cryptocurrency. It's all about interest. Then, in the space of 1 month, you are a crypto expert. You're a crypto expert. You begin to trade, you begin to know how to risk, you understand things that people are talking about on the market. This is how you can increase your crypto knowledge from being a novice to becoming a crypto expert in 1 month.